Attention athletes dealing with chronic pain, this information is crucial for you. There's a scientifically backed treatment combination that could revolutionize your pain management. Introducing the highly effective pain relief duo, active release techniques, ART, and dry needling. Active release techniques, or ART, is an advanced soft tissue system that specifically targets muscles, tendons, ligaments, fascia, and nerves. The technique involves identifying the precise location of adhesions and scar tissue, then using specific movements to break them down. Think of it as a meticulous cleaning process for your soft tissues, enhancing flexibility and alleviating pain. Now combine this with dry needling, a technique where fine needles are inserted into myofascial trigger points to release muscle tension. This method increases local blood flow, stimulates the release of endorphins, and promotes tissue healing. Together, ART and dry needling address pain from multiple physiological angles, accelerating your return to peak performance. When combined with electroacupuncture, dry needling's benefits are amplified. Electroacupuncture involves passing a small electric current between needles, which speeds up tissue healing and helps reduce inflammation in the body. If you're struggling with muscle pain, consider this scientifically proven combination. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional to determine if these treatments are suitable for you. Michael Woodworth of Macari Wellness was one of the first and is one of the very few people certified and licensed to provide this unique combination of treatments.